As with any clock repair, I recommend that you take plenty of pictures all the way around the movement. That way, if you have a problem putting it back together, you can refer to the pictures. So we're going to start by taking this front piece off. I got my ultrasonic cleaner heating up. So it takes a little while to heat up. I got it set for 50 degrees Celsius. And with all this rust in this thing, it might take me a little while to take this thing apart. But take plenty of pictures while you're working on your clock, so you can figure out how to put it back together. And like I said before, this is a first for me for the Russian cuckoo clocks. So it might take me a while to figure out what I need to do. I'm going to take this count wheel off next, or at least try to. There's a spring in this count wheel. The clip is out of the way. The count wheel should come off. But like I said, it's full of rust, so it might need a little persuasion. But this clock is not built that well, and so if I persuade it too much, I'm going to damage something. But if I don't take the count wheel off, then I'm not going to be able to get this clock apart. Or maybe the count wheel stays on, and I just have to take this off. Well, I got it off that way. There's a spring that goes down first, and then the count wheel. So now, I think my next step is to remove these nuts. Or I might have to take the high note and low note lift lever off. And again, honestly, I don't know. The bird post is in my way, and I'm going to take that off. And the bird post is rusted as all get out. So hopefully it doesn't break, because the way it's designed, I'm not going to find any replacement parts, I don't believe. So now I'm going to take these. I think I'm going to take the lift levers off here, if I can. Again, I apologize for not knowing more about these clocks, but this is my first time. I'm working on a Russian cuckoo clock that is in bad state. It's my first time working on a Russian cuckoo clock that's in good state, but it's definitely my first time working on a Russian cuckoo clock in any state. I have a nut driver, but I don't think it'll fit these nuts. Nope. So I have to use my pliers. I don't like using pliers on the nuts because you could damage parts. And that's why I try to use a nut driver when I can. I imagine if I went and got more sockets for my nut driver, I'd probably have the right size, but this works. I want to try to take this off without parts going everywhere. That way I can see where they go. This should be fairly simple. Cheap ratcheting system. I don't know if you can see that. Cheap parts. but it is what it is. So taking my toothbrush, cleaning off what I can off the plates before I put it in my ultrasonic cleaner, because you've heard me say this over and over again. An ultrasonic cleaner is like a dishwasher. You want to pre-wash your dishes prior to putting your dishes in the dishwasher, because the dishwasher will not get your dishes that clean if you don't. An ultrasonic cleaner is the exact same way. Plus, the cleaning solution is expensive. Even though I use a homemade recipe, it is still expensive. So why not clean it off as much as you can prior to putting your parts in the cleaner, to save on replacing the solution all the time. Doing the same thing with toothpicks. Going through all the pivot holes to make sure all the gunk and grime are out of the pivot holes. Again, to save on your cleaning solution. And you don't think it has gunk and grime in the pivot holes. Do you see how black that toothpick is? And that's because of the old oil that is still in the cloth. I like to take this out, but I want to make sure that I know how to put it back in. So there we go. The video probably isn't going to show you me putting this thing back together. And the reason why is because I need to refer to my pictures and to the video to make sure I have this thing back together correctly. But we will show you another video once I got it all back together. And again, I hope y'all are enjoying the videos. If you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please make any comments, good or bad. I can take criticism. Almost as much as anybody else. But please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm constantly posting different videos. I get a lot of people enjoy my videos, tell me thank you, not on the site itself, but on Facebook. They tell me thank you, saying how much they've enjoyed the videos and how much they've helped them. And my most viewed video is how to repair a music box where the little man comes out of the cuckoo clock. So y'all check that out, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.